You can use the highlighter tool to add all sorts of color to your document. If you want to turn off those colors so that your highlighting doesn't show, you can do so by making a single configuration change as shown in this quick tip. The highlighter tool in Word is helpful for when you are developing and editing your manuscript. All you need to do is to select what you want highlighted and then use the highlighter tool on the Home tab of the ribbon. There may be times, however, when you want to display or print a clean version of your document without the highlighting. You could, of course, remove all of the highlighting marks and then reapply them after printing, but that would be very tedious. Instead, there's an easy way for you to suppress the display of the highlighting that you previously applied. Start by displaying the Word Options dialog box. We go over to File and then to Options. Now at the left side of the screen, we want to choose Display. This is the checkbox that you want to pay attention to, the Show Highlighter Marks option. If this control is selected, then highlighting is displayed. If you clear this checkbox and then go ahead and click on OK, notice that none of the highlighting is displayed within the document. The text remains there, it is just that the highlighting marks have disappeared. Plus, they don't just disappear from what you see on the screen. If you print your document, the highlighting also doesn't show up. When you're again ready to view your highlighting marks, all you have to do is reverse that process. We go to the Word Options dialog box, we choose Display, and then we turn the option right back on. When we click on OK, our highlighting marks reappear within the document. So there's a quick way to hide the highlighting marks within your document without having to delete them. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.